What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Abigail Daily here, and I am back with another video. So this time I'm back with an eyebrow tutorial. So first of all, you're going to take a spoolie and you're going to comb out the 3 eyebrow hairs you have, maybe 2. Who knows? So now you're going to take your, I use an eyebrow pomade. I find it's more easier and more manageable to work with. And this is actually an eyeliner. It's the e.l.f. eyeliner in the shade Coffee. So it's a deep brown color, kind of like a cool tone color. So now we are going to use this eyeliner, aka your pomade, and you're going to carve out the bottom part of your eyebrow. So now you're going to use a spoolie again and brush your eyebrow hairs down and carve out the top section of your eyebrow. It gives you a more clear picture when you actually comb down your eyebrow hairs. So if you realize that there are gaps that need to be filled in with the eyeliner, go ahead and fill it in. I usually fill in my arch and my tail before I fill in the front of my eyebrow. So now I'm going to just make my tail a little bit more defined, because we all love a sharp tail. We all love a sharp tail. So now I'm going to brush back my eyebrow hairs in place to be filled in. Alright, so here's the teasers. Okay, I did not have any more eyebrow pencils. I had to use the one I have. You know, your girl is resourceful. So now you're going to take your eyebrow pencil and you're going to fill in your eyebrows. Okay, so when we were doing phonics in primary school, in prep school, this is what our teachers were preparing us for. They were preparing us how to do our eyebrows. Okay, so you're going to color in between the lines. Alright, you're going to color in between the lines. Okay, sis? Okay. So now you're going to take your spoolie and you are going to brush out your eyebrows. So now we're doing this to get rid of any harsh lines made by either the eyeliner or the pencil. We want everything to be as seamless as possible, and ain't nobody like those boxed eyebrows. Okay, so now we're going to take our concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I am carving out the bottom section of my eyebrows. As you guys realize, when I'm doing my eyebrows, I normally start at the arch and then continue to my tail, then move to the front, because I feel like your arch gives that, you know, foundation that, yeah, it gives that perfect foundation to continue with like the rest of your eyebrows. So now I'm concealing the front of my eyebrows with that same concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and an angled brush. You know, we gotta get that tail precise. Okay, so before applying the concealer straight to your eyebrow, make sure that you wipe some of the excess off on your hand, because if you apply it straight to your eyebrow, it can be a little chunky, and when you're blending it out, it can actually get into your eyebrows. So now you're going to take your blending brush. I am using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It's a really dense brush and it blends out my concealer like a dream. So you're going to take that brush and you're just going to, you know, continue blending out your concealer underneath your eyebrows, because, you know, we don't want any harsh lines. Now to clean up the top part of my eyebrows, I usually use foundation. Why is it upside down, sis? So I usually use a foundation to clean up the top part of my eyebrows, because one, it is less harsh than a concealer. I don't like using a concealer on top of my eyebrows, especially the concealer I use underneath it, because I'm not a big fan of halo brows. I just like the highlighted look underneath eyebrows. And two, when I am blending my foundation on my face, I find that it blends more seamlessly and more smoothly. So after I have placed that foundation, after I have carved out the top section of my eyebrows and I am satisfied with it, I'm going to use the same e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to buff out the top section of my eyebrows. So now when you are carving out your eyebrows, is perfect word, when you're carving out your eyebrows with the foundation, in that time you can tweak or fix your eyebrows. If you know, like, you concealed it too much right when it went into your eyebrows, you go back to your pencil and you fill in the area that you messed up or the sparse area. So now I'm going to use the brush and I'm going to buff out the front part of my eyebrows to make it look more natural. We are now going to go back in with our spoolie and we are going to comb back our eyebrow here. So guys, this is the finished look, the before and the after. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys next week Friday. Have a blessed day.